Get ready for the dictation. Start. Make in India campaign was launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 25th of September in 2014. It is an initiative to make a call to the top business investors all across the world for investment in India. It is a big opportunity for all the investors to set up their business in any field anywhere in the country. This attractive plan has resourceful proposals for foreign companies to set up manufacturing units in India. Make in India campaign launched by the Indian government focuses on building effective physical infrastructure. It also meant for improving the market of digital network in the country to create a global hub for business. The symbol of this initiative is a giant lion having many wheels. This indicates peaceful progress and way to the vibrant future of the country. A giant walking lion with many wheels represents courage, strength, tenacity, and wisdom. This national program was designed to transform the country into a global business hub because it contains attractive proposals for local and foreign companies. This campaign focuses on creating a number of valuable and honored jobs. It is also providing skill enhancement in almost every sectors for improving the status of youths of the country. The successful implementation of this plan will definitely fulfill the following major objectives: to ensure solid growth and valuable employment creation in the country. With the help of top investors, country will become completely self-dependent in the manufacturing sector. It will provide the benefits to both parties, that is the investors and our country. Make in India will also help the companies for creating their brand values in the global market. It will definitely help for the growth of Indian GDP as well as to increase the value of Indian currency. Our own investors will retain in the country itself who were planning to move their business outside India due to lack of resources and clarity on policy issues. Due to this fact, companies from across the globe making a huge investment in Make in India project. The government of India is making a huge effort in order to reduce any type of burden on investors. Due to this, there is an arrangement of a dedicated web portal for solving all the queries from business entities. This portal www.makeinindia.com is now receiving an excellent response. Government has created a dedicated back-end support team so that response can be given within 24 hours of duration. Almost 25 key sectors like aviation, chemicals, IT, automobiles, textiles, ports, pharmaceuticals, hospitality, tourism, wellness, and railways have been identified by the government to work for the investors and become a world leader. Now let's have a look some probable disadvantages of Make in India. On these aspects, the government must apply some corrective measures. Negligence of agriculture, depletion of natural resources, the loss for small entrepreneurs, disruption of land, manufacturing based economy, interest in international brands, pollution, bad relations with China. To make India free of unemployment by bringing development and growth. This policy is the urgent need. We can downsize poverty in India to a great level by solving the unemployment issue for youths. Thus, the country economy will achieve a new height after the success of this campaign. This, in turn, may solve various social issues in the country. Stop.